Dental implants sound simple, but what actually happens inside your jaw is very different. So how do dental implants actually work? When a tooth is missing, the root is gone as well. And that root is important because it anchors the tooth into your jawbone. A dental implant replaces that root. A small titanium screw is placed directly into the jawbone. This acts as a new artificial root. But here's the part most people don't realize. Your body actually accepts the implant. Over time, the bone grows around the titanium. This process is called osseointegration. Before an implant is placed, the original tooth needs to be removed. The natural question is, how quickly can it be replaced? The answer isn't one size fits all. Some patients can have an implant placed on the same day. Others need to wait weeks or even months. What determines the timing is the condition of the site. Is there infection? Is the bone socket intact? Is there enough bone to stabilize the implant? After the implant is inserted, it can take several months for the bone to fully fuse around it. Once this happens, the implant becomes firmly fixed in place, almost like it's part of your natural bone. That's what makes dental implants so strong. After the implant is fused with the bone, a custom-made crown is attached on top. This becomes the visible part of the tooth. So, a dental implant isn't just replacing a tooth, it's replacing the root and becoming part of your jaw. Understanding how things actually work changes how you see them. If you want simple explanations like this every day, subscribe to the Daily Explanation.